All right, what's up? What's up? All right, I'm gonna show you guys a couple charts and show you what I'm seeing and thinking, stuff like that. So right here we got the Bitcoin chart on the 1 day time frame. Each candle represents 1 day of price action. So what I was originally watching was this 92K level right here. As you see, every time we came to this area, we bounced up and we broke past it. And I was anticipating us coming back to this area and hopefully bouncing, but we didn't. So now we come down to this 0.382 at 87. We passed that. So far, it's kind of not looking good yet. I'm hoping that we reverse somewhere in between this range right here. You see, we get a little bit of price action in here, so like that. So, but a couple things I'm seeing right here on this RSI down here, the relative strength index. The lower it goes, it becomes oversold, and then it typically has a reversal going up. From here, you start to build a bottom and start to head up. So we're going to keep an eye on this and see what happens here. So like that. I don't know. We're going to reverse here soon, or this baby's got a lot more to go down. Just really not sure. The markets are really weird today. Everything was looking like crap, to be honest. Gold is down. Gold is down by 1.5%. The silver, never mind. Silver. Gold is down too. Everything's going down. The S&P 500 is going down. Get your Russell 2000 is going down. Dow Jones has been going down. NASDAQ has been going down. Everything's just been looking pretty bad. What the reason for all of it to go down? I'm not exactly sure. But the number one thing I care about, obviously, is XRP. So, as you can see, this red line right here is a $2 range. Every single time we touch $2 range, we typically have a reaction and head up. Almost every time. Anytime we go super below it, we typically go back up. So right now we're at a crucial point. We're going to see where this goes. It was down a little bit lower. It's coming back up a little bit. Still got a couple hours left in the day. Stuff like that. I don't think we're going to get a reversal just yet. I honestly don't see us reversing until the earliest of, if XRP has anything to do with the ISO stuff, maybe we start reversing come Sunday. But if we don't reverse come Sunday, I think we're going to continue going down until the beginning of the month, around December, stuff like that. So more or less the way this played out right here, we could get a little bit more right here that pushes us down. We have this little price action right here, or it reacts once it hits here, and you see this, it reacts and goes back up here. So honestly, we could be dipping somewhere around here, $1.61 or something like that. We're going to keep an eye on that. But regardless, when XRP finds its bottom, whether it has a mass capitulation like this thing is going to reverse heavy, extra hard. Now I got a couple ideas of how it could all happen. I'm using past performance to predict future performance. So there's a couple little fractals I have here lined up. Depending on how low this thing goes, let's say it goes down here to, roughly $1.70, $1.60. Each one of these candles is a day. So no matter where we go, this thing can reverse and get back out of there quickly within weeks, less than a month. Any one of these, we're going to get out of there quick. But my main bull case that I'm really following, honestly, is this pattern right here from 2017 into 18. Let me show you. So this pattern right here, followed by an explosive move up, is very similar to the pattern we've been creating here, but on a longer time frame. So we've already had one explosive move out, and I think there's more to come. But I honestly think that we are looking for a very similar pattern. And if we get this similar pattern and follow it, it'd be similar but not full blown the same way. And we're going to have some nice price action coming soon. So if we find a bottom here soon and start moving up, let's just put this down here and then start to look at the dates. Like, look at this peak right here. Right here it goes to $4. This is by December. You see this down here? Look at the timeline down here. December. Then if it runs some more, look at this, $20 by December 22nd. And if this thing keeps running even harder, look at this, $100 by February. Consolidate a little more and move on. This thing literally could see, look at this, $720 by September of next year. This is really a pattern that I'm hoping that we're gonna repeat. I'll take me a $700 XRP by next year.